Hi, friends, followers, and family that can saw this video. We have this 2011 Chevrolet Silverado with the 5.3 on it. And the reason why I'm making this video is because I'm kind of, well, it's my first time seeing something like this. I have seen it on any other car except this type of truck. So I like to make this video so that way it don't happen to you. So what we got here is like I say, a 2011 Vortec 5.3 liter, and what we got here is this timing chain had broke on it. I want to show you here. I don't know if you can see that part. That's the broken piece out of it. So basically the timing chain just broke off. The tensioner, if you see, it got damaged too. You can see the plastic piece that goes in here is broken. So it created a big mess under here on the engine. So this is a timing chain replacement job. And I asked the customer if the oil, what was the oil pressure, and the customer says that the oil pressure was low. So we go ahead and remove the oil pump, because basically that will fix his whole problem on the truck. And we still gotta see if the engine haven't gotten damaged, one of the valves or something like that. So this is where we are right now, and I like to make this quick video so that way you can replace these type of issues before this happen. It's better to do it before, because once it happens, there is a 50 and 50% chance that you can damage the engine, and that's what we're here for. So that way you don't damage your engine and stuff like that. You take care of your stuff on time, regularly, and basically you won't have any problems. So I'll leave this video up there for you. This is a 2011 5.3 liter with the timing chain broken. We about, like I say, we about to get the parts and put it back together and basically see what happened here. I'll keep you posted. Thanks a lot.